First and foremost, I'd like to thank everyone present here today for giving me the honor to be a part of this initiative. I've always felt hugely, I've always felt it's a very, very important cause to support education. As much as I can be a part of it, I always have supported it. But I think the Save the Children's effort in ensuring every child has the right to education is very, very commendable. My small little effort to be a part of it, in whatever way I can help, is something that I'm trying to do here today, and I have to congratulate everyone present here today for taking up this cause. Education is perhaps the single most important tool by which a child from any part of society can overcome the constraints of their environment and actually live up to the potential of what they are possibly going to be. They are our future. They can rewrite their own future. So thank you very much for having me be a part of this, and all the best to Save the Children, and thank you very much for listening. Well, I'd also like to add that Save the Children is associated with about 11 states in India, and I hope at some point to be able to visit all the places where Save the Children works and see for myself how much help I can be of, and also in every possible way create awareness about how important education is, especially in our country. Actually, I do. It's a very early memory. My parents have been doctors. So I remember once a month they used to take an ambulance, which was their own, small little ambulance with a few, medicines and a few doctors and nurses. And I remember this is while I was living in Bareilly. So we used to drive into the interiors of little villages and have all these kids running up and have a little camp. And I was responsible for the pharmacy. So I used to count all the medication and actually put in the pills and staple the little dibbies and little packets and give it to the kids or to the families. I remember I was just about 10 or 11, but it was a huge event for me every time. I used to look forward to it every month, and it was a way for my parents to give back, and I used to enjoy it tremendously. जी मैं काफ़ी NGOs के साथ जुड़ी हुई हूँ. इट इज़ एन इनिशिएटिव जहाँ पे भी मैं सोचती हूँ या समझती हूँ कि मेरा पोजीशन मुझे हेल्प कर सकेगा किसी तरह का अवेयरनेस लाने के लिए, किसी तरह के हेल्प के लिए. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ. एज आई गो फॉरवर्ड यू विल नो अ लिटिल बिट.
Log on to www.erosentertainment.com.